Hello, Courtney. I know you're a big fan of sound effects, so I made some today, and I want to know what you think of them.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no! About 3 things I was absolutely positive. First, Edward was a vampire. Second, there was a part of him, and I didn't know how potent that part might be, that thirsted for my blood. And third, I was unconditionally and irrevocably in love with him.
Oh my God.
So the lion fell in love with the lamb. I looked away, hiding my eyes, as I was thrilled to the word. What a stupid lamb, I sighed. What a sick, masochistic lion.
Get